Hi there, it's Tim, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the 09. So so when it arrives, coming from the manufacturer, it's going to come in a great big box, and we're going to slice open the top here. Okay. One fresh 09. So when it arrives like this, you're going to want to take a look and put these three things aside. The user manual, this awesome multi-kit, and the charger. Put those aside or else they'll get dumped when you pull out the actual scooter. So what you want to do is grab the stem of your unit and lift straight up.
That sound though.
And that's it. Lift and down. What I have found is 010s and 09s, 08s, all the zero lineups so far have been really simple to get going. They do come with a little bit of a charge, but what you want to do to start off with is just get rid of this extra packaging that was shipped with it. I'm just going to use my fingers on here so I don't scratch the paint. Bye-bye plastic. And here it is, 109, ready to go. So what you want to do to start with, in fact, is just to lift this right up, and then we can sort out the handlebars. To release this pin here, and lift all the way up until it snaps into place. When it's brand new like this, it's possible that this pin doesn't lock all the way down, so just give it a little bit of weight and you'll be able to snap it into place. Put the kickstand down and lift out the actual handlebars. The handlebars themselves are just going to screw in like this until they're nice and tight. And the same on the other side, all the way through until they're nice and tight. I'm not going to do it here because I just need to show you the next step. Next step, of course, is to loosen the brakes. You've got a front brake and a rear brake. Loosen them both with the multi-tool that came with the box and rotate them all the way across the top. I'm going to do that next. And rotate them all the way front. Rotate this one all the way to the front. Tighten it nice and tight on here and on both sides. And then, I'll rotate that so you can see it. You can power it on. What you want to do next though is tighten everything up. So what you want to do is get the handlebars in the right spot. Maybe go on the other side again. It might be better for lighting. You're going to want to tighten underneath here with this tool, and the same up here, these two screws, these two bolts right here. And then once you've done all the tightening, just release tighten it down on here depending on how tight you like it. Make sure it's nice and firm, and then power it up. And just hold the power button down for a few seconds and you'll see there's a little bit of battery life in there. I haven't tightened this up yet. I'm just going to do some photos. That's pretty much it. So this has been the unboxing of the 09 scooter. It's a fabulous machine. I happen to actually own one, and mine does not look this clean. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit subscribe. Hit that like button too, that'd be really nice. And also write down in the comments which video would you like me to make next, and which scooter do you own, or which scooter are you actually interested in buying? I'd like to hear from you. Cheers.